subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by to watch my videos. Today I'm so grateful. I just want to say thank you to every one of you who watches my videos and my subscribers. Yeah, so I'm so happy. Thank you so much for 250 subscribers right now. We are heading to 300. Let's do it, guys, before this month ends, and I will be so grateful. Yeah, so make sure you support your girl. When you just see this video, please don't pass by without subscribing, and I will be so grateful. So guys, today I thought of showing you how my view from my house, how it looks like. You know, this is coast. We've been having problem, as in we've been having drought for the longest time, because it's kind of 5 years now without rain. And you know, when we say without rain, it's without rain, you know. Yeah, so that's how we've been surviving. Back then you could come here, you get the green stuff, you couldn't even see up there, but now, man, so dry, any forever dry. So guys, let me show you how my background looks like. So guys, you see, unaona venye kumekauka. Yeah, so this is my backyard, as in nyuma ya nyumba, and let me show you how it looks like. Nawazungushe tu hapa karibu tu muone venye kunakaa. It's very dry. So guys, this is how it looks like. And before then, this was a forest, you know, but now nothing is here, just the small bushes, the shrubs, because of the drought. It has been quite a tough moment, because even the animals can't feed, you know. A lot of them have died because of lack of food and water, and it's unbearable, you know. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. And that mountain you see over there, the bluish one, it's kind of closer. You couldn't see it, you know. The Kwale mountain, you couldn't see it. Hiyo ndo the Kwale county. Yeah, and ungeiona, you couldn't see it from far because it was bushy, it was green, it was beautiful. But you see now, look, everything is exposed, everything is that clear, you know. Yeah, that's how it looks like from here. You know, it hurts sometimes, you know, because kuna vumbi, it's stress. See, this is the only plants that zimebakia. This is the surviving plants, and you know, hizi ni zenye ziishi kwa desert, you know. Yeah, and the cactus. This is the only plants that are surviving right now. Even the ones zenye zilikuwa zinatry kukua strong, they are dying, you know. This is the only plants that are remaining here. The other plants are dying. You see? See? Ani kumekauka. When the grass is dying, it's dead already. So I don't know. So yeah. You see there? Even the grass is dead kabisa. It's very dry, man, very dry. You see the green plants you see ni zenye zu survive kwa desert. At least their roots are very deep enough to suck the remaining water in the ground. I guess that is it. Yeah. So guys, I think this will be I think my video will end here. So let me know what you think about this video, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So please guys, just support your girl, you know. Yeah, so my